Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to remove tags from posts you're mentioned in on Facebook using your PC. If you want to have control over the posts you're tagged in, follow these simple steps. 1. Open Facebook. 2. Click on your profile photo from the top right corner and open your profile. 3. Click on Photos. 4. Click on the three dots icon. 5. Click on Activity Log. 6. On the left menu, click on Your Activity across Facebook. 7. Click on Activity you're tagged in. 8. Click on Posts and Comments you're tagged in. 9. Check the box next to the desired post mention. 10. Click on Remove Tags. 11. Confirm by clicking Remove Tags. With these easy-to-follow steps, you can now easily remove tags from posts you're mentioned in on Facebook using your PC. Thank you for watching our tutorial.